Eileen, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm unboxing the Chic Beauty Box for September-October 2020. But first, if you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm so glad you decided to come and hang out with me for a while today. If you have not yet subscribed, I'd love it if you would hit that subscribe button. And also, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up before you leave. So, Chic Beauty Box is a bi-monthly subscription box that carries full-size makeup products from well-known brands. It is an all-inclusive brand with a sole mission to create an equal opportunity for everyone to be able to afford and use quality beauty products. Their goal is to empower you to be your best confident self by providing you with chic beauty products bi-monthly at an affordable price. They have three options for getting the box. You can get a single trial box for $39.99, or you can subscribe to their bi-monthly plan, which is $34.99 per box, so $5 cheaper than just buying the single one-off box. But for $34.99 per box, it does automatically renew, but you can cancel at any time. You're not committed for any certain number of boxes. Or you can have the annual plan, which bills for the entire year up front at $189.99, which works out to be $31.67 per box, as opposed to $34.99 on the bi-monthly or $39.99 if you buy it a single box at a time. Each box contains 5 to 6 makeup products worth over $100. That's their promise. Let's see what we got this month. This is my first Chic Beauty box, so let's see what we think. Okay, you open it up and very pretty pink and black, and you get a lovely little card, and then on the back are all of the possible products that could be in your box this month. They don't give you just the rundown of what you got, but everything that was in the mix this month, and then your box is curated from this list. And then the products themselves are protected here with a nice little bit of bubble wrap. So let's take a look and see. So, the first item is from NYX, and it is a powder blush. There we go. They say this is a super smooth formula that delivers pigmented color with a true matte finish. They're calling the color mocha, but to me it looks very sort of peachy pinky. I wouldn't consider that mocha, but okay. Per the card, they say that this retails for $7.50. I couldn't find this formula sold anywhere online, including the NYX website. They now have this Sweet Cheeks blushes, not just their NYX Powder Blushes. It's now the NYX Professional Sweet Cheeks blushes. This shade is not a current shade, so it's possible that this is older product that is no longer being sold, but there's nothing wrong with it. The only place I did find this formula available for sale was on Amazon, and where it was selling for $3.99. Okay, our next product is from Milk Makeup, and it is Milk Makeup Eye Vinyl. It comes in this tube, but I'm going to open the tube so I can show you the product. They say that this is an eye gloss in the form of a click pen, which dispenses the perfect amount of product. It allows you to easily draw on your gloss. Gloss comes in 4 shades. There's a clear, a purple, a black, and a nude. I received the shade Tunnel, which is the black. I'm not quite sure what eye gloss is, but okay, there's a lot of things I don't know about makeup, this whole journey I'm on here. Per the card, the retail value of this is $20. I couldn't find this product on the Milk Makeup website or on Sephora. I did find a review of it from several years ago. I found references to it in articles from 2016 and 2017. So again, I think this may be a product that is discontinued, but that doesn't mean there's anything wrong with it if it's never been opened. And I did find it for sale on Amazon for $12.76. So I'm calling that the current retail value of the product when we're calculating whether or not they met what they promised. Okay, our next product is from ALMAY, and it is the Goddess Gloss. Let me see if I can you can see the sparkle in this. It's pretty awesome. This is a holographic lip gloss. Feels moisturizing and smooth, never sticky. Comes in 12 shades. I believe there were 8 possible shades in the box. I got the shade Mystic, which is this gorgeous, you know, the gorgeous lavender. The retail for $9.99. They were on sale this weekend at Ulta for $5.99, but I don't believe that this is like a sellout kind of a situation. I believe that was just part of the sale that was on this weekend. So the retail value on this is $9.99. Okay, our next product is from Too Faced. It is the Perfect Eyes Waterproof Liner. Let's see if we can get, there we go. They say this is a creamy, long-wearing eyeliner that glides on with the ease of a liquid liner and locks down for 8 hours of budge-proof, smudge-proof wear. High-impact pencils in a gel formula come in 9 waterproof shades, ranging from everyday classics to cutting-edge couture. Each includes a flexi-firm beveled smudger, which is down at this end, to allow for bold lines or thin dramatic strokes. And the shade that I received, as I said, there are 9, and I received the shade Perfect Moss. This appears to be yet another discontinued product. I did find it on the JCPenney website, no longer in stock, but with a retail price of $18. I did find it in stock on Amazon for $12.30. So we seem to be seeing a trend here. Okay, next from NARS. This is the Orgasm Liquid Highlighter. I don't know if that's going to come into focus because of all the shiny. So let me take it out of the box. Say this is an ultra lightweight highlighting fluid in a universally flattering orgasm shade. Let's see if that comes in any better, if that'll focus any better. There we go. It's a beautiful frosted bottle with this orgasm-ish shade top. They say this featherweight formula can be mixed into foundation or moisturizer for a subtle illuminating glow, or worn on the high points of your cheeks, such as your cheekbones, cupid's bow, down the bridge of your nose for an ethereal effect. Moisturizing formula contains pomegranate extract, an active ingredient known for antioxidant, long-lasting hydration properties. Again, this appears to be another discontinued product. But it was formerly sold at Nordstrom, so this was certainly a decent product. It just, again, appears to be something that is discontinued. The card here gives the retail price as $30. The only place I was able to find it for sale right now was on Amazon for $38.99. If I'm gonna call the rest of the products, the retail value as what I could buy it wherever I could find it now, mostly Amazon, as less than what the card is saying, in this case, I've got to count the price that it's currently being sold if I wanted to buy it on Amazon. So we're calling this one $38.99. Okay, our last product is also from NARS. Came in bubble wrap to protect it. This is the Studio 54 Hustle Cheek Palette. And their description here says, disco, decadence, the ultimate indulgence. Feel the beat of Studio 54 with the limited edition collection, inspired by the famed nightclub's salacious scene. Make your move with a star-pressed palette of sheer to buildable shades ready for the dance floor, featuring cult favorite blush and shimmering highlighter powder for an ultimate glow, sweep on dry for a weightless natural glow, or apply wet for high impact effect. Build and build to your heart's desire. And this is the case. I think that blue is gorgeous. And you can see, hopefully you can see the sparkle there. It's pretty cool. Nice and thin too. So the shades in here, let's take a look. Oh wow, that's a lot of color. There is a mirror, but I will point it down so we don't blind you with it. The shades here are, I'm going to guess it's pronounced Creek, C-R-I-Q-U-E, which is the pale gold shimmer. Born to be Alive, is the middle shade, that Peach Shimmer, and I Need a Man is the Shimmering Rose Pink. If you can see the stars that are pressed into the pans, they're very pretty. This was from the 2019 holiday collection, so it's not available on the NARS website or at a lot of retailers. You're starting to see a pattern here, as I am. But it is still available at some retailers, and I found it available on Saks Fifth Avenue website for $42, which is the same as what the card gives it. And for the Saks website, it's actually an $78.75 value for $42. So I guess if you bought the 3 items in it individually, it would have a value of $78.75, but the retail price on it, and it is still available, or at least it was as of yesterday, for $42 on the Saks Fifth Avenue website. So that's everything we got in the box. So let's, you know the drill by now. Let's go through everything, see what we think of the value of the box. The first thing was the NYX Powder Blush. Retail value on that $3.99 based on what I could buy it for today. From Milk Makeup, the Eye Vinyl in Tunnel, $12.76. The ALMAY Goddess Gloss in Mystic. The Too Faced Perfect Eyes Waterproof Eyeliner. The NARS Orgasm Liquid Highlighter. And the NARS Studio 54 Hustle Cheek Palette. So the subscription promises 5 items, or at least 5 items, we got 6, with at least $100 value. The total retail value of these products at their original prices was $127.49. At the current prices that I could go out and buy them for today, it was still $120.03 based on the prices I was able to find in the past 2 days since the box arrived Saturday, so basically yesterday, Sunday, when I was searching online based on the prices I could replace each of these items today, $120.03. So it seems to me that Chic Beauty Box is getting items that are no longer not entirely, because the ALMAY gloss may not qualify, but not necessarily new. You're not going to get the brand new stuff, but there's nothing wrong with any of these products. And, it's not like you're getting, eyeshadow from the 70s or something. It's Studio 54 inspired, not actual used as Studio 54. So there's nothing wrong with these, and it's a chance to get some, really good products, and they are name brand products for, again, the price on the box, if you buy it with the bi-monthly subscription, for $35, I got $120 worth of stuff. Not necessarily all things I will use, but again, that's the fun and chance of subscription boxes. I'm sure I will find them good homes. Some of the other items that you could have received, there was another NARS face palette, NARS Reflecting Pressed Powder, some Bare Minerals Translucent Powder Duo. There was a NARS Liquid Blush, Bare Minerals Highlighter, Bare Minerals Eyeshadows, Too Faced Matte Lip. So there were a number of products. There is not a single product on here that I haven't heard of the brand. So you are getting name brand products, and again, there's nothing wrong with these products. You're not going to get new releases, but you don't get a lot of new releases usually in subscription boxes anyway. So I think it's it's a great way to get some products that maybe you wouldn't have been able to afford, or you wouldn't have wanted to pay the money for, or just to try out some name brands that you haven't tried out before. So let me know what you think. Do you subscribe to the Chic Beauty Box? Had you even heard of this one before? I know it's not one that's not nearly as common as BoxyCharm or Ipsy, but let me know what you think and whether it's something you would subscribe to. Just a little bit of background: the Chic Beauty Box was founded by a woman who is a social worker in, I believe, in Canada, And, you know, her idea was to be able to make makeup more affordable for people that, you know, couldn't necessarily afford it. And that was where the idea was born from, which I think is pretty cool. Leave any comments down below in the comment section. And if you haven't checked it out already, be sure you check out my 1 month on YouTube giveaway video. I've got a big giveaway going on right now through the 21st of October, so be sure to check that out. It's a lot of good stuff in that. I'll put a card up here so you can find it. Please give this video a thumbs up if you've enjoyed it. Subscribe down below if you haven't done it already. Thank you for spending your time hanging out with me today. Please stay safe, be kind to yourself, and I'll see you real soon. Bye.